Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the basics to using Zoom and how to use it for your calls and how to log in for work and conferencing and stuff like that. This is very vital to know with working online, and so I'm going to show you a little bit about it. So first of all, you're going to just go to the Zoom sign up or login page. It depends if you have an account yet. It's very easy, so you can just sign up for free. It's going to log me in because I already have an account. So here I am logged in. And then when you have a meeting that you have to go to for work, you can click on join a meeting right here. And it's going to pop up this little page. So join a meeting, you enter the ID that you have been given from your boss or your corporation, whatever meeting you're joining, and you put it right in here and you click join and it will open a pop-up and you have to click if you want to use your computer audio or computer video, and then you will be taken to the meeting. Another way is to host a meeting, which it's very useful for many different business types, and I will show you now how to host a meeting. So you can choose with video on or off. If you want it more personal, definitely use your video. So it's going to open this page, and then a pop-up is going to come up, and we're going to click Open Zoom Meetings because it will open another pop-up. So it takes a hot minute to open. And as it opens, okay, here we go. Okay, so there I am. So here is the option to join with computer audio. That it will tell you right here, you're now using the computer audio. I'll turn my video off so you don't have to watch me. Okay, so we're now using the computer audio, and I'm going to show you how you can record your call. So if you're doing a business call or you're like doing a coaching call, you're going to want to record it so that you can use it for later use or use it to advertise. So you're going to click the little more button and you're going to click record on this computer, and it's just going to start recording like that. So it's now like double recording me. So we're going to just turn that off. And then right here is where you can choose your virtual background and your video settings. Virtual backgrounds are so cool because you can pick what you want the background to look like. Now, if you don't have a green screen behind you and you have an older computer, it's not going to work. If you have a computer that's 2019 or newer, you're going to have software that works with it. So for my computer, it shows like my sweater and my hair, but it really doesn't show the background good without a green screen. But you can download any picture from the internet and upload it to here, and then you can have that as your backdrop. So that is really cool. You can pick you don't have a green screen, and it will tell you right here that your computer doesn't meet those requirements. So that's a good thing to know if you have a newer computer. And then you can also, right here, there's a chat, and people can ask questions and you can answer questions on the side, and then you can invite people. So when you invite, you can send an invite through email, and you can send it out like a day in advance so that they know they're going to have a meeting, or you can just copy the URL and send that through Messenger or however you want to. Once you're finished with the meeting, you're just going to click End Meeting, and it's going to ask you if you want to end it for all or leave meeting. If you're the one hosting the meeting, definitely end or leave the meeting. If you're joining a team meeting, it's not going to give you the option to end meeting for all. So then it's just going to convert the audio. I don't want that audio because, and I don't want to save it because it was just me talking. Okay, so that was the two main features of Zoom. Now Zoom is free and up to 45 minutes. And here's the plan right here. You can have 100 participants. So it's really amazing that they do this for free. So you can also schedule meetings out, as I said, and then send out the invites. You can set the time, all that stuff. So it's very powerful and you can do so much with it. So if you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below and I will include them in one of the next videos.